Hello everyone, welcome to the course Design of Solar Power Plant in the Helioscope Software. In this course, we're going to be talk about how we can design the solar power plant in the Helioscope software. What are the different simulation parameter, shading parameter we're going to be consider whenever we are developing or working on the Helioscope software. So from that, we can download the report also and we can show to the client also. I'm your solar coach, Professor Kiran R. Bildar. I'm a trainer and rooftop solar system consultant, professor of renewable energy in Mumbai University, India. So in this course, we're going to be talk about the different parameter while we do the simulation on the Helioscope software. So whenever we work on this particular parameter, the two case studies will going to be covered. The first is design of commercial scale solar power plant, and second is the design of residential scale solar power plant in the Helioscope. So here the two parameter as in commercial scale and the residential scale parameter will going to be covered on the particular course. So under this particular points, we have a number of sub points like whenever we work on the Helioscope software, how we can import the site information and create the new project on the Helioscope. We know that the Helioscope is the best software while we're going to be work and download the report for this solar power plant. So in that case, we have to be generate the new report, and according to that, we have to create the new project and we have to give the important site location like the latitude and the longitude for the particular site. So how we're going to be enter this information, that parameter will going to be talk in detail under this particular point. Second parameter we're going to be see is the measurement of site and installation of the solar panel on the flat roof area. So here we're going to be see how we can measure the site by taking the measurement command into the Helioscope software. And according to that, we're going to be see how many number of panel will going to be enter on this particular area, whatever we have measured. And what are the different parameter we are considering under the simulation, like the distancing between the rows of the panel, then how many number of panels are required, their orientation of the panel on the flat roof area. So these parameters specifically will going to be talked in detail. Similarly, whenever we do this particular measurement and installation of the solar panel on the flat roof, whenever any keep outs has been available, like the elevator control room is available, water tank has been available, antenna will be available, or any ventilators will be available. So as per the availability of the shadow creating obstacles on the rooftop area, how will going to be accommodate that under the shading analysis. So that parameter also will going to be talk about in the detail. Next is the doing the shading analysis. So once we have developed the shadow creating obstacles and any shading parameters on the rooftop area, then how we can do this shading analysis. Under the shading analysis, what kind of an parameter are important? While placing the solar panel also, how we can decide how many number of panels will going to be placed on the first row, second row. According to this particular analysis, we're going to be see how we're going to be work out on the solar panel placement on the rooftop area. Similarly, we're going to be generate the single line diagram from the Helioscope software. So how we can enter the electrical data and generate the SLD diagram so that we can read this particular diagram into the AutoCAD. Because whenever we are designing the report for the solar power plant, we require to show the single line diagram for the connections also. So this diagram will ready-madely be we can download from the Helioscope software. So for that purpose, we require to enter some amount of an information, and according to that, we're going to be download this SLD diagram. So this diagram will going to be read on the AutoCAD software also. And the next thing we're going to be see to generate the simulation report into the Helioscope software. So after entering the simulation parameter, we're going to be download this report in the PDF format, which is consisting of the information about the site, what are the different kind of the losses will going to be occur in the solar power plant, and according to the energy yield estimation and the further designing parameter, we can able to download easily from the Helioscope software. Once again, I'll going to be welcome you in this particular course. Thank you.